Let's take a look at connecting to your Dynamics 365 data using Power BI. Here, I'm going to show you how you can access your data via OData. As mentioned, there is another option to connect to your data, and that's by selecting the SQL Server option. Here, I'm going to show you how to connect by OData. So here I am in the Power BI desktop application. I'm going to click Get Data, and I'll select OData Feed. Here, a screen will pop up, and I'm going to enter my base URL for Dynamics 365. At the end of this, I'm just going to type data and click OK. I'll next then be taken to sign in or authorize my credentials. So I'm going to select organizational account, and I'll go ahead and sign in. Now I'm signed into my organizational account, and I'll click Connect. As you can see, Power BI is connecting to our data using our URL here. And as you can see, the navigator is displaying, and our data entities for Dynamics 365 are going to display. Here, I'm going to select the data I want to use. I can then load and create Power BI reports with my Dynamics 365 data.